Hey guys, welcome back to my next video. Today we're going to be installing a carbon fibre boot spoiler. Now the original company that sent me this product kind of messed up. They sent me some carbon fibre fucking Renexit. A carbon fibre intake something or other. So I waited 3 weeks for this, sent me the wrong item. I then got them to express ship the right item, and it is one big smiley face. So as you can see, carbon fibre, the lightweight material, even got real 3M. Very surprising, because it is eBay after all. Before we embark on this much anticipated install, I'm going to do the first thing, which is polishing and clay barring the boot. So we're going to clay bar it to get rid of all the surface contaminants, make it 100% smooth, and then polish it because it makes sense after you clay bar, you polish. Got our bit of clay, got our soapy water. Let's now clay bar this 11-year-old car. Righty, now it's time to polish. Righty, now to buff off all the hazed over polish. Actually a miracle. Now to install the much anticipated spoiler. Alrighty. Big dick, dude. What's going on? You better fix that. Slightly too much.
Oh, and that's fine. I think that's fine. Just leave it.
That was a very simple DIY. I think it makes a astronomical difference to the car. Creates a nice little angle on the boot. It's a lot cheaper than going with the M Sport boot, where it's like the duck lip, where it comes out sort of very dramatically. Highly recommend it. I think it was like $200. I'll link it in the description below. Thanks for watching. I want to thank the 80 subscribers that watch my videos weekly. You guys keep me going. I hope you enjoy this montage.
Been a million places.